Top online side hustles for retirees. Earn extra income from home in 2025. Have you ever wondered how some retirees are making hundreds, even thousands of dollars every month, without leaving their home, without a boss, and without any prior experience? Imagine waking up in the morning, sipping your coffee, and checking your phone to see money rolling in from your online side hustle. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how that dream can become a reality. I'm going to share the top online side hustles for retirees in 2025, the ones that are beginner-friendly, realistic, and can bring in real money. Even if you've never used a computer much, you'll see that you can start earning comfortably from home. So, if you want to know how to make extra income in retirement without stress or complicated tech, stay with me. You're about to discover options that could change your retirement lifestyle completely. Before I begin, please, I would appreciate it if you like this video. You can help me continue to spread this important lesson. If you have not subscribed yet, I recommend you click the subscription button below this video and turn on the bell notification, like and share this video, so I can be motivated to make another video as quick as possible next tomorrow, and you don't miss any of my videos this week. If this video inspired you and you have questions bordering your mind, go to the comment section to ask. I will not hesitate to quickly respond to your question right away. Now, let's get started. Hi, I'm Charles Edrams, and I've helped hundreds of retirees discover ways to earn extra money online. Today, I'll break everything down in simple, easy-to-follow steps, so you can start your first online side hustle even if you've never done anything like this before. By the end of this video, you'll know which side hustles are perfect for retirees, how to get started without frustration or risk, and how you can automate your income for maximum ease. This video is perfect for anyone who wants to supplement their pension, fund their hobbies, or just enjoy retirement without financial stress. So grab a cup of tea and let's get started. Why online side hustles are perfect for retirees. Before we dive into the list, let's quickly talk about why online side hustles are a great choice for retirees. 1. Flexibility. You can work from home at your own pace. No strict schedules, no traffic, no stress. You decide when and how much you want to work. 2. Low startup costs. Many online side hustles require little to no investment. Some even let you start for free. You don't need a big office or expensive equipment. 3. Mental engagement. Staying active online keeps your brain sharp and helps you feel productive. You can even connect with people worldwide. 4. Extra income. Whether you want to pay off debt, travel, or just enjoy your retirement, online side hustles can give you that extra cash every month. Honestly, retirement doesn't mean slowing down. With online side hustles, it can be the most exciting and financially rewarding chapter of your life. Top online side hustles for retirees. Now, let's get to the heart of today's video. The best online side hustles for retirees in 2025. I'll break each one down with simple examples and tips on how to start. 1. Freelance services. Freelancing is one of the easiest ways to start earning online. Think about it. You already have skills that others are willing to pay for. Examples: writing articles or blog posts, a graphic design, a virtual assistant tasks, a bookkeeping. How to start: sign up on platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or Freelancer. Create a simple profile highlighting your experience or skills. Start by offering small tasks to build your reputation. Story example: one retiree I know, Mary, started writing articles about gardening. She had never done freelance work before, but within 2 months, she was earning $800 a month, just part-time. Now, she spends her mornings writing and her afternoons enjoying her garden. Freelancing is perfect if you want something flexible and low risk. You can start with small projects and scale up as you gain confidence. 2. Online tutoring or teaching. If you have experience in a subject, online tutoring can be very profitable. You can teach anything from English to math, music, or even hobbies like cooking or crafts. Platforms to get started: a VIP Kid, a Wizant, Preply. How it works: set your schedule and teach live classes online. Some platforms also allow you to create recorded lessons to sell repeatedly. Example: John, a retired math teacher, now teaches online. He earns $25 to $40 per hour without leaving his home. And the best part? He chooses the hours that work for him, leaving plenty of time for hobbies and family. If you're still watching this video and finding these insights valuable, please type yes in the comment section below to let me know you're here. If you have not subscribed yet, I recommend you click the subscription button below and turn on the bell notification so you don't miss any of my videos next tomorrow. Your support by promoting this video, subscribe, like and share helps me motivated and continue creating more video like this. Now, let's move forward. 3. Selling products online. Selling products online is another amazing way to earn extra income. And the great part? You can start with things you already enjoy making or collecting. Ideas: a handmade crafts or jewelry, a digital printables, like planners or coloring books, a reselling items on eBay or Amazon. Tips: a start small to test the market, a focus on products you are passionate about, a learn the basics of listing and marketing online. Example: Linda loved knitting in her free time. She started selling scarves and hats on Etsy. Within 3 months, she was earning $500 to $700 a month, enough to fund a small vacation every year. 4. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is earning a commission by promoting other people's products online. You don't have to create your own product, just help sell someone else's. How to do it? Start a simple blog or social media page about topics you love. Share products or services with your audience. Earn a percentage for every sale made through your referral. Example: a retiree named Sam loves gardening. He started a small blog and promoted gardening tools online. Within a few months, he was earning $300 to $500 per month just from recommending products he already uses and trusts. Affiliate marketing is great because it requires little upfront cost and can generate passive income over time. 5. Investing in online platforms. Investing can be a smart online side hustle if you want to grow your money steadily. Options: a dividend stocks, earn regular payments from your investments. A robo-advisors, automated investing for beginners. Peer-to-peer lending. Important: this is not a get-rich-quick method, but it's ideal for long-term extra income. Even small, consistent investments can grow into significant monthly returns over time. 6. Profit Automation Master Class Side Hustle. Now, here's the top online side hustle for retirees in 2025, the Profit Automation Masterclass. Why it's perfect. It teaches how to create automated income online. Designed for beginners, even if you've never earned online before. Helps you set up systems that earn money while you focus on other things. This is more than just a course. It's a complete system to help retirees start earning online quickly and efficiently. How to choose the right side hustle. Choosing the right side hustle is crucial. Ask yourself: 1. What skills do I have? Start with what you already know. 2. How much time can I dedicate? Some side hustles need daily attention, some don't. 3. What are my income goals? Are you looking for a small extra cash or a bigger supplemental income? Tip: start simple. Don't try to do everything at once. Pick one side hustle, learn it, and grow steadily. Tips for success. To maximize your success. 1. Be consistent. Even 1 to 2 hours a day can build results over time. 2. Keep learning. Free online tutorials are everywhere. Take advantage of them. 3. Start simple. Don't overcomplicate your setup. 4. Track your earnings. Learn what works and what doesn't, and adjust your strategy. Remember, every successful retiree who earns online started small and learned as they went. Let's recap. Today we covered freelancing, online tutoring, selling products, affiliate marketing, investing, and the Profit Automation Masterclass, the ultimate side hustle system for retirees. If you want the easiest, fastest, and most automated way to earn online as a retiree, I highly recommend checking out the Profit Automation Masterclass. The link is in the description. Sign up today, and you'll get step-by-step guidance on building your first automated online income stream. Remember, retirement doesn't mean slowing down. It's your chance to grow, earn, and enjoy life on your terms. Don't wait. Start today. If you have not subscribed yet, I recommend you click the subscription button below and turn on the bell notification so you don't miss any of my videos next tomorrow. Your support by promoting this video, subscribe, like and share helps me motivated and continue creating more video like this.